Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka jingtep halor ki an ki kanun ban ki policy jong ka sarkar kalong ka we na kilat na ka baki brio ki la ban yadaya la ka jong ka hok ti khnang ban penyar bat pen phriang ye ka jingtep halor ki hok ha ka long brio man brio sa shisin pat ka Labor and Migrant Commission jong ka Jingai diocese ringkat bar ka jingtri lang bat ka Social Action for Human Right India ila benlong biang ye ka Jingai Jinghikai ka balai Sngi yak bala sedang nuruk ke khatway tarik bala Pynkut no ha ka khatlai tarik unai tung arajar arpusan yak ni ka program ke bala tip kum ka creating Paralegal volunteers through training on laws welfare schemes and advocacy skill lapenlong ha ka saman lang pastoral center hall ke badan halum bi sentiu mi mentu West Hills district ke jingthmu ban penlong ye ni ke jing a jinghikai ke long ban kentiu ke jing lang jingtep jong ke riu pat ba lor ki an ki kendon ki hok bat ki lat jingerap ki baka sarkar ka wanra khnang baki brio kentip ya ki jimtoi baki dei ban yo kat kum ka jok baminta u father man bha pakem director jong ka GHDS ulalong ukang san ha sngi ba ple ka ki jing a jinghikai ringkat ka jing sandan lang uba danis kur kalang coordinator ka GHDS ka sister Suki Nongrum ba ki we de ki staff ka GHDS ha ka basdang jong ka benta baningkong jong ka jinghikai ki ki lai sngi Lashim do Avinash Nazari ubolong umuktiar ka Social Action for Human Right India hak benta ka baar la yo ek jingbatai halor ka Information Technology and Cybercrime yak balai do advocate Jenny Spar Manar kiwede ki baai Jinghikai hak sngi baningkong kilong ka advocate Bandrilang Dakhar ka balai Jinghikai halor ka Phang Women's Rights baru advocate Wonder Job D Simply ubalabatai halor ka Phang Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances hakat sngi ba ar jong ka jinghikai ladon ko bahan deutli ki session bala ai da kinong ai jinghikai ba pher kata halor ka consumer protection law yak bala hikai do advocate mesan dakhar board sa ka jinghikai halor ka Phang emerging criminality in India a focus on Meghalaya yak bala ai do advocate care basius pasi but ka early access to justice at pre-arrest arrest and remand stage yak bala ai do advocate Abinash Narzari. Shu hak benta ka ba arjung ka jing ai jinghikai la yoru e ka jimbatai halor ka Phang HIV AIDS right and protection of person living with HIV AIDS yak bala ai do Dr. Janarius Nongtdu bat halor ka Christian marriage and divorce law yak bala ai do advocate Avinash Narzari. La Pynkut yak benta ba arjung ka jing ai jinghikai da ka law and orders and related laws bat la hikai do sub inspector Ricky Paul Dakhar. Hagasngi bakut jong kani gajing ai jinghikai kata ka khatlai tarik naitung arjar arpusan la yo ek jinghikai halor ka human trafficking and related law yak bala ai do advocate even Mdor Singkon bat halor ka environmental law yak bala hikai do advocate Vicky Nelson Manar haga session bakhat do la yo ek jinghikai halor ka motor vehicle and insurance law yak bala hikai do advocate Mesan Dakhar la Pynkut ekani program da ka mas bakhut bala benta the father man baha pakem.
Okay. So here under Article 38 of the Constitution, what it says about promoting welfare of the people by securing a social order with justice, social, economic, and political. Economic. See, that is related to workers or laborers. Then let us come to the next. It's time for we already. Article 39A speaks about securing citizens, men and women equally the right to uneducated means of livelihood. Work. And then the next one is Article 39, the equal payment for both men and women. See that? Okay. The next one is Article 41. Article 42, Article 43. I think this I'm sharing with you. It's time for Alright, this is not law. This is for us to think. It says, law protect us only when we know. You have to first know. If you don't know the law, you have to know the law, and then you have to demand it. we have to tell the people who are employing us or the government, the law enforcement agencies, tell them these are our rights. These are not implemented, and we can't decide. First, we have to know our rights and laws, then only we can voice for our rights. It happened, many times whenever I visit, rural areas, villages, when I interact with the people.
Organize the EVM camp. हम पाइपलाइन डिजिटल सिग्नेचर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड्स applicable facilities e-governance in electronic commerce, the cybercrime and these cybercrime define and analyze motif bagi pencipta ia crime motif ia crime pencipta ia tu crime adalah apa lagi kami ke hacking the identity theft, cyber stalking and phishing. They're going to provide legal provisions against publishing obscene content and child pornography. Hacking satu bagi pun hacking no. Dari identity theft satu lagi. Identity theft tu betul dengan identity yang di dalam kamu ada. I use your profile or data, kamu yang ini, atau kamu dari kamu tu, tapi kamu kelar lagi. Dan lagi dia cyber stalking tu, dia buat threat lagi. Jadi justru dia macam penting dulu apa social media, di threat message, jadi no. Dan dia phishing, tu kamu scam. Dia no call tu. Dia call ini tidak di SNI, in the police station. Dia call kami dah. Maksudnya apa? Hey, in SNI, ada problem dengan ini kadang ini semua ini tidak. Jadi bila jangan buka pelan. Itu ini tidak naik bol lagi ni. Macam sen dalam sekolah, kami kena Jinghikai. That call, hey, ini detail UC ini nanti. God, 1 point something lakh. Sila tahu ini detail. See, kami how ini detail ini nak kami point message are sent by the bank or something. Ini be obvious email pan OTP email pan ini di kami people apa? Sebenarnya emang message. Ini tahu pun di scam.
Non-discrimination. Ini sebut non-discrimination hak artikel 15. Itu. Ini sebut non-discrimination. Non-discrimination. Cak ni utang, cak ni utang, no? Macam yang ngomong, cari tanah, Newton. Dan kamu ada batai usaha ketika fundamental rights, dengan explain lagi. Dia kata koi harga article 16 equal opportunity to public employment. Dia batai usaha. The right to freedom of speech and expression namun orang itu. Dia kata the right to freedom of speech and expression. Dia kata speech here is speech. Iam talking opinion yang ini. Lagi deklami, lagi dekoi. Yang ini kita ye perlu sok ada tengok ini. Ye betai, ye kelam, lagi ye thought lagi ke opinion yang ini. Umur ke jenisnya yang ini jadi perlu lagi perlu.
Excuse me, madam. Kalau jangan juga freedom of speech and expression jangan tahu untuk ia.
Ye dia su. Lepas dah ni le, anda terus orang berkait dengan dia punya, dia ada orang dia, dia ada mai chong, no, and pas ini pun orang macam. There sexual harassment of women at workplace Act 2013. Kini tiga kali sexual harassment of women in workplace. Harassment. Ham jadi ini adalah
Kurang menjauhi, kurang
menjauhi
repot.
workplace. Sexual harassment means unwelcome physical contact.
Forget the drugs. Let us just come first to Biri or Shekhar or Duma. Go back to them. We use come from there. The lady untuk yang survive ni. Lani mana you bang ni tomat dia. Tahu kan? Mertua mah? Yes. Then boyui. Mana you play prolong you try. And the ambitious to take a intrigue on. Let me also try. Let me also know it. Let me also enjoy fantasy ini. Jing mentoy mina ke obras. Then I'm a bit easy access. Easy not to prolong pi kam na pi duma. Through peer groups. Hey bangsa. Sebab no? Kamta hai. Easy access. Unemployment. Sometimes no job. दिन भर घर में बैठ के थक गया चलो शाम में थोड़ा ऑफ जाएंगे या थोड़ा पिएंगे एक पैक पिएंगे कमते हैं ना टेंटेन कमते हैं हम है स्वीट स्वीट सॉन्ग न्या नंकी तमाक नंकी सॉन्ग है dia rasa pun mana pun ki lah mana halor ki mana pun ki nya jera beda dah tidak kasih pack yo biarnya tutup kan no tutup baik dia nyontoh bukan lagi lah orang praktikal dia so biman tidak awareness lack of awareness dari di ini kamu jahil nah we only know that we have to take it without knowing the consequence sampai nanti ini dan tidak you jahil saja then of you stress buah yung ni kamu manfaat buah yung dan ngak ki auri ke yo sung yo sai ke ki sing ni le sok sian je ben stress yo like ni te chlo lai ki pate na yang manfaat kena be le pa ko yung pen auri men ki men khan chlo lai ki te tok ki jing dia chen ho yung sam yung ni dan tem akan senang tahu ini dan pada subhanallah drops. Kemudian kita cuba lagi dia, senang mana dah drops. Yo ini, cakap no, jadi apa yang suka ada. Kamu tertuju di, hayung tu tertuju di cara, mana pun di cara dia tertuju dah dukan. Subhan, mak ada em. Orang suam em sedang senang sedang habla yang sensitif, yang stok kan. Kata ni memang kami easy availability. Easy access tidak sukar. But kita teman di point kita pun hati kita awal di drugs itu.
Kemudian kita die ketian, non die bukan. Pun sembah siapa? Pun sembah die di pelat jaga FRP price. Mah pelat jaga FRP price itu dah. Kalau itu diburu diwatai kita kain ni bahawa kita di konsumen tadi itu di price tak tu yang kedor ni jadi dah pelat tu dah pelat tu tu mun kain ni bahawa ni kam bilang jadi kita kalau link ni little group little jai little company di wajib untuk itu oleh ini kam untuk wajib kain dah bahawa ni kam di konsumen dan hanu falki mana dia ni hanu falki mana dia kain ni berbunyi apa yang lihat manli Jakarta district ada apa itu consumer mendapat district consumer forum ajwai apa itu ada isi tangan isi saja ijazah ada apa Sngi yang form ni ajwai dalam apa silong dalam apa there new district forum apa yang meninggal district consumer forum dan di mana file the complaint yang Hima yang dulu boleh apply ni mana file complaint untuk ni dia ke application detail application atau hey baik kesalahan ketiar ada di sini kamter untuk di nombor yang itu boleh apply ni proof yang proof file district consumer forum cuba Terhatun ni tidak baik gatu buat dah pun ni dah notice di pihak dewan dah batai kiki kaman udah kaman dah batai kiki ujian dah kena kiki kini dah notice di situ di perlu buat le percaya gatu kamu ni gitu le dah thok yang ni buat kamu oh ibang lain ni kaman le kiki le dah pagi dia dah baik district kan kurang dah orang ni oh ya betul ya lain dah jauh dah hok kita kamu jadi ia bagi yang ada bisa untuk compensation only atau sapu job ni.
Next TPP, what is ethics and what is law? TPP, you will ingat dengan yang ethics. I'm his sister ini, and now it, I think most probably. I'm so sorry. Bukan kumpul kelihatan dia. Sorry. Jadi apa? I think all of you jangan ingat ada tiga bini ethics. Can anyone from MMU ingat bini ethics? What is ethics? Okay, fine. Ethics, dengan masuk highlight. Ethics, mandor kata ain, which is morally right. Ain buat sin macam lagi religion, lagi niam, kamu ni riti kedustur, kamu fokus apa makanya dia kata tak riti kedustur. Ethics zaman kata Jinghikai yang berbalam. Jinghikai yang berbalam. Kata senyap yang ini senang-senang. Kau ngat ni tak apa. Kini tak mudah mulai. Kini tak munggi mendendek ini tak tinggi jadi start mulai. Dia tak ethics which is morally right. And now what is law? What is law? Dia dah kata tak work what is law? A law is a set of rules. Law is a set of rules and regulation which is coded and enacted for the citizen of a civilized society. What is law? A set of rules and regulation coded and enacted for citizens in a civilized society. Kau orang kata ni, kau macam di legislature, the bunsen, everything yang tu, bagi ethics, bukan law, everything yang tu, the bor harga cina yang di law, yang di ain, di polisi, yang di legislature, legislative policy semua. The MKG ko baik. The MKG kam wahai pun macam ni. Dia tahu mana senang bill ni. Before a bill is enacted as a law, jumpa lagi. Justnya pergi jumpa lagi di bills. Segi bill buat disahkan. Segi selesai berjalan. Kau apa? Kena legislature yang kau buat lagi in the parliament. Dan kita lagi bill jumpa lagi for each and every.
And nationally funded by the National AIDS Control Organization. So straight away we will go to the point. HIV/AIDS. Bukan seperti yang we tipikan ini berkejut. We have heard that things not okay ada HIV, no? Manu apa just from the word HIV and AIDS, it makes us tremble because it's a very dangerous disease. Why it is dangerous? Because once it enters inside our blood, it stays there forever. We will die with the virus. No? So straight away, HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. No? Human immune system. No? Immune system, it means our defense system, our natural defense system. God created us in such a way that we are able to adapt, we are able to live right from the beginning of time through the immune system, natural defense system. No? Before we room they live that same amount of year, their life expectancy. No? They live 70, 80. In fact, they were living longer than us. The main reason because of the immune system, Paralegal immune system. This immune system is a natural defense system that our body will recognize. Ye government will recognize any foreign object, any agent viruses, bacteria, fungal infection. If they enter inside our body, the immune system will immediately activate itself, recognize the foreign agents that will harm our body, and it will send soldiers, kind of army. It will send those kind of army, and they will engulf bacteria, viruses that they destroy. In that way, we are free from any kind of disease, even cancer. Even cancer cell, immune system, they will engulf it and they will digest it. That the waste that are in this is a very natural immunity. Once we say that we are immune, we can adapt to the approximately we can live our life up to 80, 90 years, naturally, But if we go to another planet, we will not survive that much. Maybe we will just survive 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and we'll die. Because we are not immune to that particular place. Immune system.
So, in India, we have got different religions, right? The marriage is covered by different laws in India. We have got customary practices, like in Meghalaya, you have got a different kind of way of system of marriage. Men going to the women's house, right? So we have the Muslims. The Muslims' marriage is, covered by the personal law of the Muslim, Islam. Okay? Muslim. And then for the Christians, we have the Christian personal law. For the Parsi, it is different, and for the Jews, the Parsi is different. Okay? For the Hindus, Sikh, Buddhists, they have got a common law for the marriage. Okay? So we have got different laws concerning marriage in India. Okay? But we also have a neutral law for marriage that is called Special Marriage Act. For the Hindus, Sikh and Buddhists, it is the Hindu Marriage Act. Alright? So now we will learn about the Indian Christian Marriage Act, as almost I think everyone here is Christian. Okay? Fine.